In rural areas of America, especially in Appalachia and the Midwest, a medical secret was hidden that got lost amid the hustle of modern medicine. As a doctor, when I studied old medical journals and 100-year-old prescriptions, I discovered something far more effective than today's expensive medicines: the Clove Protocol. Today, we will examine this seemingly simple remedy through the lens of medical science and research. We will discuss how this tiny clove can rejuvenate your arteries, brain, and vitality at a cellular level. But wait, during the video, I'll reveal point number 3, which, according to a report from Harvard Medical School, can roll back your biological age by 10 years. As a physician, I strongly advise you to pay very close attention to this point. First, let's talk about molecular science. Cloves have the highest ORAC value in the world. As a doctor, we know that antioxidants protect our cells from damage. Research shows that cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which can reduce cellular oxidative stress by up to 80%. Old practitioners in the USA didn't just see this as a spice, they used it as a natural medicine to optimize blood circulation. If you're interested in health and clinical research, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you stay updated on these medical secrets. Now, let's talk about the 5 major benefits that come from this clove secret. The 1. The arterial cleanse, endothelial function. Inside our arteries, there is a very thin and delicate layer called the endothelium. This layer essentially acts as a protective lining that keeps blood vessels smooth and flexible, allowing blood to flow easily. As we age, or if our diet is high in fatty and processed foods, this layer gradually stiffens. In medical terms, this condition is called atherosclerosis, or hardening of the arteries. When arteries become stiff, the heart has to work harder to pump blood, which increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and other cardiovascular complications. This is where the magic of cloves comes in. Cloves contain eugenol and other bioactive compounds that naturally boost nitric oxide, no levels in the body. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that tells the walls of the arteries to relax and expand, vasodilation. When arteries are relaxed, blood flow improves. Oxygen and nutrients reach tissues more efficiently, and the elasticity of the arteries is restored. In rural America, old practitioners used to drink clove water daily to keep their cardiac system and blood circulation youthful even at the age of 90. This practice isn't just beneficial for the heart, it also supports overall circulatory health, energy levels, and longevity. Regular consumption helps naturally detoxify and rejuvenate the arteries without any chemicals or expensive medications. Factor 2. The Neuro-Protective Factor. Are you struggling with brain fog, forgetfulness, or difficulty focusing? Cloves have remarkable neuroprotective properties that go beyond simple memory support. One of the main causes of cognitive decline is neuroinflammation, a process where your brain cells are damaged by oxidative stress and inflammation. Cloves contain eugenol, flavonoids, and other antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in neurons, protecting them from cellular damage. These compounds also help balance neurotransmitters such as dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine, which are critical for mood, memory, and learning. Clinical research indicates that regular consumption of cloves can improve cognitive clarity, concentration, and mental stamina. Rural elders in Appalachia and the Midwest reportedly used cloves in their daily diet, either as tea, powder, or added to meals, to maintain a sharp mind well into their 80s and 90s. Beyond memory, this benefit can help prevent age-related cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's or mild cognitive impairment. For anyone interested in longevity and brain health, cloves act as a natural neuroprotective shield. Number 3. The vitality secret, testosterone optimization. Next, we uncover the vitality secret that has kept elders strong and energetic for over a century. This is often called endocrine synergy, the natural optimization of hormone levels through diet and lifestyle. Cloves, when consumed in the right dosage, can stimulate testosterone production naturally. Testosterone isn't just about muscle. It supports energy levels, libido, mental focus, and overall physical performance. This is why elders who incorporated cloves regularly maintained youth-like vigor and strength even past 80. Scientific studies show that eugenol in cloves helps reduce oxidative stress in Leydig cells, which are responsible for testosterone production in men. By protecting these cells and supporting endocrine function, cloves help maintain hormonal balance naturally. The impact is profound. Men experience improved stamina, muscle tone, mood, and vitality, while women benefit from balanced hormones that support metabolism and energy. In short, cloves act as a natural hormone booster, promoting lifelong energy and endurance without synthetic drugs. 4. Hepatoprotective effect, liver health. Your liver is the body's central chemical factory, responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and regulating hormone levels. Cloves support the liver by protecting liver cells, hepatocytes, and regulating enzymes responsible for detoxification. Research shows that eugenol and other bioactive compounds in cloves can reduce liver inflammation, oxidative stress, and fat accumulation, lowering the risk of fatty liver disease. This helps your liver function at peak efficiency, ensuring your body effectively metabolizes fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Healthy liver function also supports immune health, energy production, and hormonal balance, making it a cornerstone of longevity. In traditional practices, elders who consumed cloves daily often maintained high energy and overall wellness, thanks in part to their liver health. 5. Bone mineral density, bone strength. Bone health is often overlooked, but it's critical for maintaining mobility and independence as we age. Many elderly people suffer from osteoporosis, making them prone to fractures and weakness. Cloves contain hydroalcoholic bioactive compounds that support bone formation and mineralization. These compounds stimulate osteoblast activity, which promotes the deposition of calcium and other minerals into bones, while reducing osteoclast activity, which prevents bone breakdown. Regular consumption of cloves can increase bone mineral density, strengthen joints, and lower the risk of fractures. This explains why elders who used cloves consistently were not only mentally sharp and physically active, but also had strong, resilient bones, allowing them to live independently and stay active even in their later years. Now listen carefully to the clinical recipe that I also suggest to my patients. Take 2 whole cloves. Make sure they still have the flower-like top attached, because that is where most of the essential oil is concentrated. Gently crush them so the bioactive compounds can be released. At night, place the 2 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon in a glass of lukewarm water. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, drink this infusion on an empty stomach. If you are taking it for vitality, add 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Cinnamon is important because it helps improve insulin sensitivity. Remember, as a doctor, I always say, moderation is key. Just 2 cloves are enough. Do not take more than that. If you found this medical information helpful, write "Health is Wealth" in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest health research and medical secrets. Be sure to share this video with your parents, family members, and friends. I'll see you in the next video with new research and more powerful health insights. Until then, goodbye, stay healthy, and take care.